The most unorthodox three-peat in the history of the NBA. It is not one team that's going to three-peat. It is one city that is going to three-peat. Los Angeles is going to win a three-peat in basketball. The city of LA. I'm talking about the LA Lakers winning the repeat, and after Goat Kinlaban retires, the LA Clippers win the title at the new Intuit Dome in 2027. The Wildfires are going to connect to this. 2 years and 5 months, the city of LA wins the repeat after the Wildfires. The LA Lakers and the King are going to win 2 out of those 3 titles with the King and GOAT King LeBron James. King is Gamache 23. Maybe the Clippers will beat the Lakers without GOAT King LeBron James. Kawhi is 25. LA Lakers is 25. Kawhi is 29. Kawhi is going to win the three-peat for the city of LA over 29 months later. And now Kawhi is an LA native. This finals would begin 126 weeks after the Wildfires. This is going to be connected to Kobe, obviously, who died on 1/26. As far as Kobe's death goes to the LA three-peat for the city of LA, 89 months later. 89 would be Gamache of King James winning the repeat in year 23. In Los Angeles, California, is Gamache of 89. But it's worth pointing out 7 years in 4 months. Just over 7 years and 4 months after Kobe's death, we would see this unorthodox three-peat. Kawhi Anthony Leonard is Gamache 59, and GOAT Kinlaban James is going to win his 59th playoff game with the Lakers to win the back-to-back. As I've talked about in the original video, 6 years, 5 months after Kobe's death, GOAT Kinlaban James wins his 6th ring. Kobe born at Philadelphia, and as far as this year goes, last title at Florida during a pandemic. The 77 months will be his burial at the Crown of the Sea. And GOAT King LeBron James, obviously this is straight out of Revelation. Revelation is Gamache 77. And then of course, this year, the beginning of 3 straight titles, Philadelphia 65, 5 years, 4 months, that's Kobe Bean Bryant. But if Kobe Bean Bryant is 81, the 81st NBA Finals is going to see the three-peat achieved for the City of Angels. But it's not a GOAT King LeBron three-peat. Instead, it's going to be Los Angeles Clippers winning the title in the 2027 NBA Finals. It's Kawhi Leonard that's going to win with 3 different organizations. We've seen it before. We've seen the Bucks, new arena, win the title. Warriors, new arena, win the title. Logical conclusion dictates that basically the Clippers are going to be winning in the new arena. Clippers is Gamache of three-peat, but an unorthodox three-peat. A three-peat by the city, not by one team. The next team outside of LA to win a title, 48 months later, James is 48, Doncic is 48. The Clippers, LA Clippers, is 48. The last team outside of LA to win the title, the Boston Celtics. And 48 months later, we see the next team outside of LA win a championship. And that honor is going to go to the loser Phoenix Suns. Phoenix, gematria, 48. In Arizona, the 48th admitted state in the Union. Kevin Durant and the loser Phoenix Suns are the next team outside of LA to win a championship. We've already seen it before in the inverse, where LA wins in football. The Rams won in football, but a three-peat followed. Here, it's a little bit different. Non-LA team wins, but then LA teams win 3 straight years. Goat Keith-Bond's 45th playoff series win of his career not only references the 18th title, but the three-peat that's going to follow for the city of LA. Not won by one team, but won by LA. Everything with the Lakers is connected to 19. The chapter ends at the birth of Kareem and Jordan. The GOAT of basketball here predicted the GOAT Keith-Bond prophecy a long time ago, and it is going to come into fruition.